simple makeup, right? Very simple. Take it anywhere you want to go. Looks legit. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eyebrow, owner of Colors Eve. Colors Eve is an online boutique, online store, right? If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome, alright? So what it is, on my last video, I was like, I wanted to join Evelyn's channel here with the family's channel, which is the Cybos TV. If you look at my past videos on this channel, right? At the start, I was like doing health and nutrition and stuff like that. But you know, as time goes on, you figure out which one is your best field, right? And then you just put that in. So that's what I did. All right, so yes, I'm back, and you know, things are just gonna keep rolling here on this channel, right? Basically, this channel, I'm gonna be sharing with you you know, how I started my online boutique, how to start your own business, all right? And then how to ship, how to pack your stuff and ship it, the best company to ship with, all right? You know, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be doing hauls as well. I'm gonna be showing you some of my inventories, okay? Amazing stuff. All that we do here is, you know, what I'm gonna sell here is you guys know already, brand name stuff, right? Incredible. All right, so yeah, today I just thought I should do my makeup with you guys, because I've had a couple of people that have been asking me that what makeup do you use and stuff like that, how do you do it, and you know, stuff like that. So I thought, you know, I'm just about to step up. I just film this video for you guys. All right, so that's what this is all about. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, all right? Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my beautiful videos that is gonna come your way. All right, I'm gonna try to upload every single week, all right? But yeah, stay tuned for that. Amazing stuff. You can see behind me everything, a whole lot of stuff here, right? I'm gonna probably show you, maybe on the next video I'm gonna show you the inventory, all right? Huge inventory, right? Brand name stuff, all right? So yes, let's go. Today's video is it's not sponsored, all right? But like I said, just for the love that I have for you guys, I'm gonna show you the makeup that I use, okay? This is the new hair that I have on. How do I look? Good? That's my face with the makeup. Alright, so let's get right into it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I ordered, I use MAC, alright? Let me know in the comment section, I mean, if you guys love MAC, alright? MAC Cosmetics. MAC Cosmetics, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you like, I mean, you guys use MAC, alright? It's the best makeup, you know, stuff that you can ever get, alright? So mine got used up. I mean, I've been used up for a while, so I ordered a new one, alright? I ordered this foundation here, and then a skin finish, you know, natural, what do you call, powder, mineralized. You guys know what I'm talking about. I don't need to talk too much. Alright, so this is how it came like that, alright? So this is it here. Oh, camera focus, come on. There we go. Oh, can you guys see? I think so. Sometimes it's like that, it doesn't really focus. Oh, there you go. Alright, this is what I use. Finally, you guys know the makeup that I use, alright? MAC. Super amazing, okay? That is the skin finish. So the packaging is great, you know, they put their MAC stuff on it. I mean, and then if you go to their website, I think I took a short video about the website and stuff like that. All right, let's go check it out. All right, the stuff that I have over there, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so if you log on to maccosmetics.com, all right, their website looks pretty genuine, pretty neat. All right, so you get all your makeup stuff here. That's where I get it. All right, so I just thought I should just share it with you guys. All right, okay, thanks. All right guys, I'm back. Hope you guys, you know, saw all this amazing stuff MAC have on their website. Like I said, it's not sponsored, but I'm just doing this because I'm doing it. That's how it is. What am I doing? This is the foundation right here. Alright, this is the foundation that I use, Studio Fix NW44. That is MAC. Alright, you can never go wrong with MAC, guys. It's quite expensive, it's quite pricey, but good things are always like that. Good things are pricey, okay? That's how it is. Don't you guys, I mean, no? So what I really love about, you know, the stuff that I purchased over there and stuff like that was they make you choose one sample of anything that you like. I think a couple of stuff over there. Got this sample here, right? That is a setting spray, pretty tiny. They should have given me a big one. Okay, MAC, if you're watching this video, MAC Cosmetics, okay, hopefully one of you guys will share it for them to see this video. I'm doing a great job for you. I mean, advertising your stuff, right? Meanwhile, I'm not getting paid for this. What is all this about, you guys? Alright, I'm not getting paid for it, but for the love that I have for you guys, I need to talk about them, alright? It's alright, we're all helping each other, right? Support my business, alright? colorsteve.com, you know? Make sure that you go sign up immediately so you're not gonna miss out on all the amazing stuff that I have here. Incredible stuff, right? Behind me. Alright, this amazing dress here. Everything is for sale. Antonio Milani, alright? I mean, the pleats over here. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see it? Alright, Calvin Klein. I have what we call Ted Baker, their bag and stuff. Hold on, let me just show you. I need to advertise for myself, alright? Alright guys, I'm back, alright? So something like this, Ted Baker London, alright? I used to live in London, you guys that already know, right? So I love Ted Baker, is one of my favorite, right? Well, I don't know if Ted Baker is. And some of these are gonna be in stock, right? Amazing brand name stuff. Look at here, DKNY. This is a purse, right? In this cute box, already, you know, package. That's what I'm saying. Good stuff are always pricey, alright? But if you get it, it lasts forever. It lasts forever, you guys. It's DKNY, right? Alright? Amazing stuff. Make sure to head right over to colorsteve.com. Alright? Brand name stuff, amazing stuff. You cannot afford not to shop with me. Alright? Let's just go right ahead with the makeup, right? Before I, you know, everything just gets scattered. I have a 2-year-old son, alright? You guys that follow us on my family channel, Callisto's, alright? You guys know Callisto's already, so it's just very fussy right now. If I don't hurry up with it, you guys that are moms, you know how tough it is. It's gonna be, if it starts to cry, there's nothing I can do, right? More stuff around, right? I don't have much time to show you, right? But on the next video, I promise I will. So yeah, let's just dive into it, right? So this is the minorizer, how do you call it? It's right here, right? So look at it. If you open it, super amazing. That's what I'm saying. Great stuff are always pricey because it's good, all right? There's nothing one can do about it. You know, I spent a whole lot with this inventory, but I know that it's great and amazing brand name stuff, which is gonna last for, I mean, for decades. I dropped that. Makeup time. The first thing I'm gonna do is to make sure that my face is not oily, all right? It's not oily, so what is this? Aloe vera wipes, all right? They are super good, all right? Super amazing. I think you can find this, I don't know where I get this. TJ Maxx or something like that. Oh, yeah, I think so, all right? So make sure your face is not oily. This is how I do my makeup, all right? I don't know how you do yours, but you can learn from me. Girl! You can choose to copy my style or do it your own way. That's how it goes. Alright, this channel is gonna be amazing. Make sure you subscribe this minute, alright? It's just me talking to you guys. We can be doing girl talks, you know. In the comment section if you wanna us to do girl talk, okay? Girl to girl talk. Alright? Now to talk behind our men. You guys! Alright? I think the oil stuff is gone, alright? On my face, alright? It's super important. Prime your face. I don't feel good coming on camera with no makeup, but I think it's alright. Do I look good without makeup? What do you guys think? Alright. I think I love this hair. I just did everything today. Well, I didn't do the whole way, but you know, the front stuff and stuff like that. I'm excited for the business, okay? I'm gonna show you how you guys can also start your business. It's not tough. I mean, it is a bit tough. It is tough, but you know, you have to start it anyways. Okay, the skin finish, all right? So once I've primed my face, the next thing is, well, let's use the foundation. Where is it? It's still in the butt. What am I doing, guys? All right, so this is the foundation over here. Super amazing, all right? With it. All right. Foundation brush. Super cute, all right? At some point I'm just gonna speed it up a little bit so the video is not gonna be too long. I hate watching long videos, and I know you guys do too. I don't really do too much makeup because, you know, I feel like too much is just too much. I don't know if you guys get my point. All right, how you guys doing? Let me know if you like videos like this, me talking to you guys at the same time doing my makeup. All right, I think it's great. I think it's great. Look at how my face is changing all of a sudden. But I'm not done yet. That's what I'm saying. Good stuff is good stuff, right? There's no doubt about it. A little bit goes a long way. You don't need to put the whole bottle on your face. Why would you do that? And some people do too much makeup. Just kidding. Do it anyhow you want it. It's your body. You know, I'm done with the foundation. I don't want too much makeup, like I said. Look how cute this is. You know, super cute. You can just put it in your bag. Girl, there you go. All right, the next step is I had to go grab my what do you call it, phone, because I forgot it upstairs. All right, super amazing. All right, all done. The eyebrow has been the most asked question, okay? So if you guys have been asking me, how do you do it? 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 I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay? Yeah, I got this from CVS. I think you get it from any drugstore, okay? It's called Wet and Wild. Today I'm showing you all the secret, all right? You guys need to subscribe and stick to this channel. So this is it. I'm sorry, I had to make sure my son is all right. You know how it is. If you have a child, this is how things happen, right? Just have to draw a line, make sure that you know everything is going on good. So you just watch me, okay? All right, so once the two is done, concealer from MAC. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Talk to me. All right, I think you see it. All right, today I think I'll be using this one here, the Pro Concealer, right? I guess now the camera doesn't focus sometimes. Can it? Step up your game. Step up your game. All right, this is a concealer brush. Okay, so you know, basically like I did with the other side, that's what I'm doing here, right? You just make sure the edges are sharp. Am I using the right sharp? Alright, so once you have it like that, I just love to use my brush here just to, you know, I don't have much what you call eyebrow hair, right? So I just try to brush it as much as I can, okay? My gosh, you know what I forgot upstairs again? Eyeshadow palette. I wasn't, because I didn't think of filming this video this morning. So let me just do it. I have to run up there again. Eyeshadow palette here. I'm using Sleek. When I was in London, I used to use, I know most of my London people out there, I'm saying it. You guys, most of you guys love Sleek, right? It's one of their foundations over there. That was also amazing, right? And now I'm in the States and I'm using MAC. Doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter, right? If you like it, you like it. If something is good, it's good. So this is about it with the eyeshadow. Alright, let's put that back. And gold deposit. Alright, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nails. Just to give it this shiny finish, alright? See how this face is shiny, shiny, shiny. Give it a very, very neat finish, alright? And I love to use my finger here. Put a little bit in it, just put it there. And the lipstick on, alright? simple makeup. But hold on, I need to wipe this side a little bit. Right now, let's just wipe here a little bit. I think the gold stuff was way too much, right? My blush, right? Alright, good. Everything is fini. How do you say that in French? My friend Chelsea. I know you're watching me. Alright. So yes, I have my MAC Prep and Prime. That is the fix spray, alright? Here's it right here. I'm gonna set, I think I'm done. Alright, so mascara, alright? Now, the last step is for us to, you know, make sure everything is finalized with MAC Fix Spray. Alright, let's do it. Simple makeup, right? Very simple. Take it anywhere you want to go. Alright, looks legit, looks sharp. That's it for today's video. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around till the end. Did you enjoy today's video? I know you did. Watch out for more videos, alright? Let me know if you want more makeup videos. But like I said, this channel, I'm gonna be doing a whole lot of, you know, inventory hauls, show you the stuff that we have in stock and stuff like that. Make sure to go follow Colors Eve Boutique on Instagram, alright? Colors Eve Boutique. We're live on Instagram. Make sure to go to Facebook, Colors Eve Boutique on Facebook, alright? Amazing brand name stuff is coming your way. If you're not shopping with colorseve.com, colorseve.com, where else are you shopping? Tell me, where else? It is Colors Eve and the rest. Everyone needs to praise him or herself. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, don't come fool me. If you think you don't agree with me, if you think you don't like my stuff, just move on. Alright, don't make bad comments, just move on, just go. But I'm a very fun and, you know, exciting person to be with, so you don't have to leave. You should subscribe this minute and join the family. All right, I'm gonna see you on my next video. I'm super excited for today. For videos that is coming ahead. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be so much fun, all right, with you guys, showing you all the stuff that I have in stock, showing you how to start your own business, how to do your own business cards and stuff like that. I did it myself. All right, I'm gonna show you all that, so you need to stick around. Start your own business with just small amount of, it depends the amount of money you want to start with. The printer that I got is amazing. All right, I got a whole lot of stuff from Amazon. You know, the shipping company that I'm gonna use, which is super cheap. You're not gonna, you know, shipping is not gonna cost you, it's not gonna give you a headache, right? So it is just amazing stuff. I'm gonna share with you here on the Evelyn Cyber Star channel. All right, I love you guys so much. I have to get going. See you later. Talk to you. Bye. Love you guys.